So today we are going to be stress testing the 8GB M1 MacBook Air model to figure out if you should get the 8GB model or is the 16GB model the better buy. So what all we are going to be doing today is, first we'll be opening 30 to 40 tabs in our browser, which is Brave, which is the same as Chrome. No worries about that. Both of them take the same amount of RAM. Secondly, we will also be opening some tabs on Safari. Then we'll be editing videos on DaVinci Resolve. After that, we'll be running some code in VS Code and lots more. So let's start with the video first. Right now, first let us check our activity monitor to see all the RAM usage and stuff. So currently we are at 4.3 gigabytes of memory usage and the swap used is 0 bytes. So let us now open our browser. This is the Brave browser. It is built on the same platform as Chrome. So no need to worry about that. Chrome and Brave both perform equally well. So 3, 2, 1, go. Now I am going to be opening 20 to 30 tabs and then we will meet in a second. So now I have 30 tabs open in the Brave browser. You can see all of them over here. I have YouTube open with 3 videos playing over there. Then I have all of the tech websites with ton of ads on them open. And then I also have my WordPress dashboard open, which for some reason is really slow. I also have Google Analytics open and lots more. So let us just switch between the tabs and let us see what the performance is. So as you can see, it's really smooth and snappy, and if we go to one of them and scroll down, everything is really smooth. There are no lags, no issues, nothing. If we go to Google Sheets and open, even this fairly large Google Sheet is really smooth. It has over 500 rows in it, and well, the scrolling is really smooth. And if we check the RAM usage now in activity monitor, then you can see we are already at 7 gigabytes of RAM usage with 3.10 gigabytes compressed, and no swap is being used till now, which is great. So you can see Brave is using quite a lot of RAM. Now we'll take this to the next level. Now I'll also open some tabs in Safari, and then we also have the screen recorder running in the background, which is taking quite a lot of RAM over here. Okay, so I'll open some tabs in Safari and meet you after a second. Okay, so now I also have 10 tabs open in Safari, as you can see over here. And if we switch tabs over here, then that too is really smooth. It's really fast, snappy, there is no lag, etc. And again, the activity monitor. Now we are using quite a lot of swap, 940 megabytes with 7.18 gigabytes RAM usage. But still the MacBook Air is performing really smoothly. Now I'll open another screenshotting app which I use quite a lot. It's called MonoSnap. So MonoSnap is now running in the background, and if we try to take a screenshot with it, and if we do some light editing over this image, let's add some blur, let's add some text, and still everything is really smooth. If we check the activity monitor again, now the swap usage has decreased a bit and we are at 7 gigabytes of RAM usage. Okay, so that was for the web browsing performance, which is really smooth. Now we'll open some desktop background apps. So what I'll be opening is DaVinci Resolve with a 1080p video playing back in it, ClickUp and Visual Studio Code. So let me open all of them and meet you in a second. Okay, so now I have ClickUp open in the background along with an unlimited while loop running in Visual Studio Code. And now let's check the web browsing performance. And still the switching between tabs is really fast and really smooth. And if we scroll down through one of them, click on things, well then still everything is looking really good. I'm really impressed by the 8 gigabytes. For the activity monitor, now we are using quite a lot of swap at 1.5 gigabytes with 7.1 gigabytes of RAM usage. And if we check out ClickUp and scroll over here, let's roam around over here, then still this app too is performing really good. So we haven't gone to Safari for some time. Now let's go over there too. and if we click all of these websites, still everything is really fast. So everything has been performing really nice till now. Now we'll be putting the ultimate load on this laptop with DaVinci Resolve, a very intensive video editor running a video in the background. So let's open that too. So let us open an untitled project and let's import a 1080p video. Let's open this. Let's import this over here. Let's go to our color tab and add some LUTs to this so that there is more load on Resolve. And now let's play this footage back. So you can see it is playing back perfectly, 24 frames per second. And now if we go to our web browser and check the performance over there, now I can feel that it is a bit slower, but it's still very nice. If we just go to Times of India and scroll through here, then the scrolling is also really nice. There are no lags, no hiccups. Now let's check activity monitor and see what the RAM usage is. So as you can see, the swap usage is now really high at 3.3 gigabytes and the memory usage is also quite high at 7.34 gigabytes. But still, everything is working really smoothly. This video is playing back with color grades applied, and yet the performance in DaVinci Resolve, which is really resource intensive, is really good. Even the browser performance is really appreciable. Still, the performance is really good in Safari and websites are really responsive. So that was it. Now you can see that the M1 MacBook Air, even with the 8GB model, can handle quite a lot. You see, we are running activity monitor, which takes quite a lot of RAM in itself. We also have browser open with 30 tabs. We have ClickUp, which is a project management tool. We have an unlimited while loop going on in VS Code. We have a video going on in DaVinci Resolve. We also have Safari with tabs open. Then we have a screenshotting tool open in the background. Then we have a screen recorder open in the background. And yet everything is really fast. So even for heavy work, the 8GB model is really fast and really good. If you want to save some money, then you can get the 8GB model without even thinking once. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe for more M1 content just like this. Thanks for watching.